Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we will be using the latest technology advancements in AI to create a web browser with ease, without the need for extensive coding knowledge. That's right folks, even your pet rock can do it. In this video, we will be taking an innovative approach to programming by using the power of ChatGPT, an advanced language model trained by OpenAI, to create a web browser. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, first let us navigate to official ChatGPT website. To use the AI, you have to create an account. You can go and create one if you haven't yet. I already have an account. So let's dive in and let ChatGPT do all the heavy lifting for us. Let's ask the AI to create a browser for us. It will take time, so I am fast forwarding this part. Alright, ChatGPT already did everything. So it's telling me to install PyQt5 library first. So let's do it. Again, it will take time. Now, let's start copying the code one by one and paste it inside our development environment. I'm using Sublime this time. Okay, we imported the required dependencies. Let's do the same for the left codes. We are getting an error here. No problem, let's ask the solution for it to ChatGPT. Alright, let's install this new module. Let's run the code again. Awesome, it worked perfectly. Let's add some more features. First, I'm going to change the window size. Now, let's change the title to the title of the current web page. Cool, let's change the logo of the browser to the favicon of the current website. It worked. Now let's add a default title for the browser. Congrats, you just created a web browser. You can also modify by asking ChatGPT like to add search bar and more. And that's a wrap on this tutorial on using ChatGPT to create a web browser. We have seen how the power of AI and the ease of ChatGPT can revolutionize programming. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and cutting-edge technology advancements. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you in our next tutorial.